Welcome to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of People vs. Comadre, GR number 153559, 431 SCRA 366. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on June 8, 2004. Let's dive right into it. Facts. On the evening of August 6, 1995, Robert Agbanlog, Jimmy Wade, Jerry Bolanday, Ray Camat, and Lorenzo Eugenio were gathered on the terrace of Robert's father's house in Barangay San Pedro, Lupao, Nueva Ecija, engaging in a drinking session. Jamie Agbanlog, Robert's father and barangay councilman, was present and listening to their conversation while seated on the terrace's banister. During the drinking session, Antonio Comadre, George Comadre, and Danilo Lozano, the appellants, approached the house and paused in front of it. Antonio abruptly threw an object onto the terrace's roof, causing the appellants to flee by scaling the fence of a nearby school. The object turned out to be a hand grenade, which exploded and created a hole in the house's roof. Robert Agbanlog, Jimmy Wade, Jerry Bolanday, Ray Camat, and Lorenzo Eugenio were injured by the grenade's shrapnel and fell unconscious on the floor. They were promptly taken to the San Jose General Hospital in Lupao, Nueva Ecija for medical treatment. Tragically, Robert Agbanlog passed away before reaching the hospital. Dr. Tirso de los Santos, the medico-legal officer who conducted the autopsy on Robert Agbanlog's body, confirmed that the victim's wounds were consistent with injuries caused by a grenade explosion, and the direct cause of death was hypovolemic shock resulting from the hand grenade explosion. The surviving victims, Jimmy Wade, Ray Camat, Jamie Agbanlog, and Jerry Bolanday, sustained shrapnel injuries. Issue. The central question is whether Antonio Comadre, George Comadre, and Danilo Lozano committed a compound crime. Ruling. The trial court found the appellants guilty of the complex crime of murder with multiple attempted murder. As per Article 48 of the Revised Penal Code, which states that when a single act constitutes two or more grave or less grave felonies, or when an offense serves as a necessary means to commit another offense, the penalty for the most serious crime shall be applied in its maximum period. Although the appellant's single act of detonating a hand grenade may technically constitute multiple distinct offenses, they should be treated as a single crime under the law, warranting a single penalty, since the appellant was driven by a single criminal intent, indicating a lesser degree of wickedness. In accordance with the aforementioned article, when a single act involves two or more grave or less grave felonies, the penalty for the most serious crime should be imposed in its maximum period, regardless of the presence of modifying circumstances. This case involves the aggravating circumstance of treachery. Applying this legal provision, the maximum penalty for the most serious crime, murder, is death. Therefore, the trial court correctly imposed the death penalty. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.